How to manage inventory in Zoho Books. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you're on your Zoho Books. Now the next thing is heading over to the top right hand corner of your screen and tapping on the settings or the gear icon. Now over here you want to locate items and tap on it. Now you want to go to the bottom of your page where you see inventory. Now you are going to check that box that says enable inventory tracking. You want to check that. Now go ahead and add your inventory tracking start date. Now the day you want the inventory to start tracking from, you want to go ahead and put it there. Now we're going to go ahead and check the three boxes over here, and then also you'll be selecting how you want Zoho to notify you when an item is almost finished. And when we are done, you go to the bottom of your screen and click on save. And once we are done, we're going to head over to the top right hand corner and click on close settings, and you should be on your home page. Now the next place you want to click on is on reports. Now you're going to go over to inventory and tap on it. Now over here at inventory, you want to look for inventory summary and tap on it. Over here, the only items that will be showing are items that were recorded or added from the start date of your inventory, and that's why it's very important to put the correct date for the start of inventory. Now you want to go ahead and take note of the quantity of this item. It's still exactly the same way I recorded it. And now we'll be heading back to our home page, and on getting there you want to click on purchases, head over to bills and tap on it. Now head over to create a bill and tap on it. Now I'm just going to input all the details on this bill because I'll be buying the same item from my vendor. I'll be buying it so I can show you how you can manage both increase and decrease on your inventory. And when we're done creating the bill, we're going to click on save and then head over to reports just like we did, and then we're going to be clicking on invoice, then tap on inventory summary. And you will notice that the quantity of items has gone up, and that is because we just created a bill and we bought something from our vendor. And this also applies to when a customer buys from you. Now we're going to go back to our home page. Now you want to click on sales and click on invoice. Now you go to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on new. Now you want to go ahead and add up the details of this purchase from your customer, and make sure that the item you're adding is the item we are trying to track its inventory. And when you are done, you're going to click on save, and then we're going to head back over to reports and tap on it. Go ahead guys and tap on inventory, and then you want to tap on inventory summary. Now you want to go back and check on the quantity of this particular item. You would notice there's a reduction from the other time where there was an addition, and that is because a customer purchased this item. Guys, if you want to go a step further and see exactly how these items left, click on the three horizontal lines at the top left hand corner of your screen. And guys, you want to go ahead and tap on inventory valuation summary. And now you should see the item that you're trying to look for the summary. Tap on it and you will see the opening stock of this item when we created this item on Zoho Books. You would also see when we added more items to it from our vendor, and you would also see when a customer purchased it. Now that is the entire summary for this item. Now this is how easy it is to manage inventory on Zoho Books. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.